Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GustanShow.com. We do these non-QM loans, and they're very, very good products. So why would you want to do a non-QM? Well, let's say that you have a 560 credit score and FHA is not approving you, and you have a couple mortgage lates. It's just you can't get it done with 10% down or 20% down. Well, non-QM will let you have some mortgage lates on your credit report, so you could do a non-QM loan for that reason. Another reason you want to use non-QM is, let's say you make $1 million a year in your mind, but on your tax returns you show adjusted gross of $50,000 a year. Well, you probably have really large deposits in your bank statement. So there's personal bank statement deposit program, and there's a business deposit program. So whatever statements have the most deposits, you might want to go with that bank. We'll average the last 12 months deposits. If it's a business account, we'll take an expense ratio of around 35% out of that. If it's your personal, we'll use 100% of your deposits over the last 12 months. So whichever is greater for you, we can use that as your monthly income, and you can qualify. That's another reason you do that. We also do asset depletion loans with these non-QM lenders. So if you got $1 million in the bank, you divide it by 120 months. We actually have some will divide it by 60 months. So we have different programs, different investors for different things that you fit into. You divide your total assets by 60 months for the one program, or 120 for this other one that does a lot more forgiving on other products. So you can divide what you have by 120 months. Let's say you got 10 grand a month. That's your income now. That's called the asset depletion program. For investors, we have a really good program called the cash flow. It's called the investor cash flow for investors only. You prove you have a primary residence. You have 25% down on any property you want. You can do a jumbo, let's say a $1.5 million house. You put down 25%. You show that the rent of that property will cover your mortgage payment, or close to it. It doesn't have to cover it exactly. It could be a little bit under, a 0.8 factor under. I'm not going to get into that math right now. But if it's pretty close to covering that mortgage payment, there's no income verification at all. We don't want any of your tax returns, any of your W-2s. We're not going to call your job. You just have to prove that you own a primary residence, and we'll do an investor cash flow for you. You just have to show 2 months bank statements with the 25% down in there. So non-QM has a wide array. So the mortgage lates on your credit report, we can get around. Low credit scores on jumbos, we can get around. We could also go to 50 DTI on the jumbos, where most jumbo lenders will stop at 43. So there's a lot of good uses for non-QM lenders. We have them all. We've got a whole array of them, and they all have their different little niches that we can fit you into. So give us a call. We have all the answers for you. Give us a call at GustanShow.com, at GUSTANCHO.com. Actually, don't call that number. Go to that website. Call me at 630-915-7550. Thank you.